Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video I'm going to tell you about the ways how to easily replace your background on any photo simply with your mobile device. So I will tell you about different apps for iPhone and Android, and you will use your favorite way. So number one is the Snapseed app and the double exposure tool. I'm going to show you a little tutorial now, so keep watching.
Snapseed app double exposure feature. You might want to replace the sky sometimes, as the sky can be overcasted and gray, there's no colors, there's no cloud, but in this particular case it's kind of alright, but maybe it's a little bit plain, no clouds, so we can add some sunset to pop it up. So I've downloaded the image with the sunset, or you can use yours, which is ideal, so you don't have any problems with the copyrights. And you hit here and choose double exposure and choose the sky that you want to have. Then place it on the area where your sky is. Ideally, there will be the area without like little branches, trees and little elements, so it will be much easier and much easier to make it and to edit your image. So let's just go to view edits again and hit our double exposure and then draw back your sky. And I'm going to erase the areas. So here we go, we got our sky here pops up, and you will probably want to add some filters and color and lights correction just to blend it a little bit together. What do you guys think? And that's the before.
Number two is the Pixar app. It's available for both Android and iPhone, and it's absolutely free. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and I'm going to show you now how to use it.
Open your image in Pixar app and then add a picture and place your second photo. It would be probably better to add the background first and then the foreground, but I've done it oppositely in this tutorial. Hit erase on top and then erase your subject, and then draw the parts that you do not need. You can zoom in and out to be more precise, and you can always hit the back button to reverse the action. And here's the result. I would also pop a filter just to blend everything together.
Number three is Adobe Sketch. You probably heard of Adobe if you ever heard about Photoshop or Premiere Pro or anything like that. It is a powerful app that is available for both Android and iPhone, and it's absolutely free as well. And you can combine different photos, you can erase the background, and you can use cool brushes. And here's how you can use this app to replace the background.
Upload one image on the background layer, choosing the photo from your phone, and another image on the sketch layer. Position the image as you want. Hit done and then make sure that your front layer is a sketch layer. Then choose the transparent brush on the bottom and it will be your eraser. Then you can control the size of this eraser and the flow. And start erasing, zooming in and out, and choose the flow for the softer brush. And here's the final result.
The next one is Facetune 2 app. It's the paid app, but it doesn't cost much and it's very handy. It's got really cool features, and one of them is to replace your background in only one click. And the app also offers you already a ready gallery of the backgrounds that you can use, but I don't really like this. I prefer to use in my own backgrounds that I took a photo of something, and yeah, but you can also replace it in one click, and you can erase some stuff or draw it back if you need. And the next one is my absolutely favorite one, because it's the most precise way to replace the background, to add any objects, and I'm going to show you now how to do it. It's only available for iPhone, but if you use Android, no problems, use any of the previous apps that I told you about. And the full tutorial is going to be in my previous video. I'm going to link it down below. So it's only under 2 minutes tutorial. Please watch it if you're interested. It's a really cool way to combine photos. So here I've already added my background image on the background and foreground, my ice creams on the foreground. Then you'll need to hit mask and choose the object on the front image that you want to add on your background, and then invert the mask. Make sure to choose foreground all the time to work with the foreground, and then start refining your lines around the image using this small soft brush. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and you found something new and something useful. Let me know if you learned something, if it helped you, and make sure to tag my username on your Instagram if you post anything using this tutorial. I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment if you have any questions for me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!